Wow, bro, look at that. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to Joe 40, bro. This is amazing. Look at what I have bought today. Look at that. Whoa, this is Minecraft. This is crazy. It's unbelievable. This is Xbox Minecraft big controller. This is Bluetooth wireless controller. This is amazing. And I'm ready for the unboxing with you. Don't forget to collect the show and get ready for that. Follow me. Wow, bro, look at that. This is what I'm talking about. It's so nice. This is my brand new Xbox controller. Wow, as you can see, it's very nice, very beautiful. It's not a joke. Let me turn. Look at that. Look at more information about this in front of you. Let's turn again. Wow, this is what I'm talking about. It's crazy, it's amazing, it's beautiful, and I bought this today in 2020. Okay, now get ready for the unboxing. Before doing that, look at that again. It was here, Minecraft pig, wonderful. Look at under. Wonderful what you can read here. You can put your barrel into. Wonderful. Okay. And what else? What else again? You can see here. Okay. You can see this Bluetooth logo. This is Bluetooth controller. Thank you. You can connect this to Windows 10. Also to your smartphone. Okay, and your tablet. This is what I'm talking about. Let's go to unboxing right now. Okay, great. Get ready, bro. My beautiful controller is here, and I'm ready. Let's start to the unboxing. Get ready. Wireless controller is here for you. Okay. Look at that. Wow, this is nice. It's beautiful. Look at that. Is it real? Okay, let's cut this thing right now. This sticker. Okay, let's cut this right now and see what's inside this beautiful and amazing box. I want to take something like that. What are you? Okay, I have this to cut this thing. Okay, look at very well. Put it inside like that. Oh, what are you doing, bro? It's not easy. What is this? Whoa. Okay, well done. As you can see, now it's cut, and I'm ready to open this with you. Is it like that or like that? I don't know, but we can try together. Okay, let's do this right now. This is beautiful. 1, 2, 3. Put this in this table and open. What? No, I can't believe this. How is possible? Look at you! Woohoo! What is this? What is this, bro? Is it real? What? This is beautiful. This is the big definition of beauty. Wow! Bro, look at that. This is definitely not a joke. It's so nice. It's so unbelievable. It's very new. How is possible? Look at very well. Bro, This is definitely not a joke. Wow. It's very nice. Wow. Thank you, Jesus, for that. Look at that Xbox here. Okay. What can I do now? What can we do? What can I do for you? I can do something like that. Okay. Take this. Okay. And you can decide. What? How is possible? You have something special into this beautiful and amazing box. This is your quick start kit, bro. This is not a joke. Okay, let me take this. What? How is possible? Number one. What is this? Okay, you have number one, number two, number three, number four, number four, number I don't know, and the big one, the big bro, and you have this. How is possible? This is amazing. This is the color green. Wow. When you turn, you have a code here. What is this? I don't know how to use this, but I will use this after. Put this inside. Now, let me open this guy. Look at. Wow. All of this for you from Microsoft. How is possible? Alright, let me open. Okay, thank you. I have no time to read this right now. What is this? Anatel. What is this? Okay, thank you. I don't know who you are, but I know this beautiful controller. Look at that. What's inside? Okay. You can put your battery, turn on, and connect to your beautiful Xbox and the beautiful Xbox One and your gaming laptop also. You can also connect to your gaming laptop using Bluetooth, which is so nice. You have also your headphone that you can connect to this beautiful device. Look at what you need to do. You need to press a button here and press also another button on a console, your Xbox One here, just to connect. And what? You can play games with this. Go on settings on Windows to connect all of this. And what? Now it's validated, it's connected. Okay, this is the Bluetooth. Amazing feature. And wonderful. Thank you. I know this. And this, what inside this? It's the same, but this is different language. Okay. What is this? Another language. Thank you. And what is this? This is also another language. Alright. I know what you're talking about. I know what you're talking about. Now, let's go to this beautiful and amazing gaming Xbox One controller. This is definitely beautiful. What? They are built into. Okay, look at under what is this, and look at here. You can connect your beautiful port jack here, 3.5. You can connect your charger. You can connect something here to charge. and get ready. What can I do right now? I can do something like that. Wow. There's something different from my beautiful one Xbox One controller. Very different. Look at okay. Look at that. Something different. What is this? It's so different. I don't know how to say to you, but the operation is very, very, very different. And you have this. Look at that. And this. And look at this button. All of these buttons. You can do this. This is the material is very, 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 very good. Look at that. Look at that. And this Xbox button. What? There have something very different here. Very, very different from my Xbox One original controller. I will make a comparison with you after. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Now, let me take this beautiful controller and show you. Look at that, it's so shine! What? Now, look at here. Wow, it's very, 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 very nice. Wow. I like it very, very much. And when it will turn. What is this? This is G. Okay, let's turn like that. Whoa! Look at this design. This is beautiful, very, very, very beautiful. Wow, what can you do? Wow, look at the pressure. There are so much different with my Xbox original version. Look at nothing and this. This is so much different. It's so comfortable. I don't know how to say to you, but different. Press this button. To connect to Bluetooth. Wow, there are so much different. Now, let's see the handle. Look at that before. There is something different here. Look at there is something very, very different. When we touch, can you see this? Look at here. When we touch, it's so different. Far with the original, it was one controller. And let open this. Look at that. This is so beautiful. This is a cool definition of pure. Look at the glass. All of these are new, very, very new. Wow. Very. You can see Microsoft. You can see wireless controller for Xbox One. Alright. And you have this. Look at inside. And when you turn, you have this. I think that is G. Okay. Now, let me do something. Take this. Ooh, this is a battery. Wonderful. Now, let me open this quickly. Let me do this with you. Where are you, my bro? Where are you, my brother? Open this like that. Again. Okay, cut. Wonderful. Number 2. Beautiful. Okay, nice. And what can I do now? You have a buff. Okay. Look at that. So new. Alright, now let me put face into this beautiful controller. Like what? Like face, like that. And the next ear. Okay, look at the different position. This for this now. Like that. What can you do? You can close. What are you doing? Wonderful, is working very well. As you can see, it's crazy. And wow, look at the end-on, is so very excellent. I think that is excellent. Wow, how is possible? There's so much different with this, with my old Xbox One controller. How is possible? It's so comfortable. I like it. Now let's press this button to turn on. Let's press again. Ooh, it's so nice. It's so wow. It's so nice. And what can you do? You can click. You can press also this button to pair, to activate Bluetooth. Okay, for pairing. Hold for 3 seconds, and now you are ready to pairing with Bluetooth. And when it's done, you can hold this button. Okay, hold again to turn off. Okay, now it's done. Wow, it's amazing. I want to compare this with my old Xbox One controller. There are so much different. I don't know if it's possible, but I can show you this. Okay, get ready. Bro, as you can see, it's not a joke. This Xbox controller is very amazing. It's so amazing. It's the Bluetooth into face is nice. You can play with your Windows 10, your PC, or your laptop, gaming laptop. You can play with your tablet and your phone or your iPhone, what you want. This is not a joke. I like this. I like all this. It's so nice. It's so beautiful. Look at it again. How is possible? I like it. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share and get ready for the next video. I love you.